We are going to talk about bridge design pattern. Bridge design pattern is a structural pattern. A structural pattern explains how to assemble objects and classes into larger structures while keeping these structures flexible and efficient. Bridge pattern decouples an abstraction from its implementation so that the two can vary independently. The bridge uses encapsulation, aggregation, and can use inheritance to separate responsibilities into different classes. This pattern involves an interface which acts as a bridge that makes the functionality of concrete classes independent from interface implementer classes. In this example, a car can be started using different types, using same abstract class method but different bridge implementer classes. If you see this example, car is a concrete class, whereas action is an interface that will have methods that would be implemented by both Nissan and Honda. That's the start method. And we have vehicle, which is an abstract class, and it has abstract methods in it, and which uses action interface. Car uses both action interface as well as vehicle abstract class. Let's build this example and see how it works. Let me open my Visual Studio Code. And first, we would like to create action.java file that will have public interface action. Within that, we will have public void start method. And let's go ahead and create a new class called Nissan.java. And this will first implements action and at override public void start. Till that, we would like to print line starting Nissan, and the third class would be Honda.java. That will implement action, same as Nissan, at override public void start and system.out.println starting Honda. Now we would like to create abstract class called vehicle.java. This is an abstract class, so we'll call this public abstract class vehicle. Within that, we would create a protected action because we would like to use this action in other classes. Action. Then we will have a protected constructor vehicle with action as parameters. And within this, we would like to set action equals action. And at last, we would like to create an abstract method, public abstract void start. This would be same method as the interface. Once the vehicle class is created, let's go ahead and create a concrete class called car.java that will extend our abstract class vehicle. Within this, we will create a constructor car that would take action. Within that, we would like to call super constructor, that is vehicles constructor. Once that is done, let's override start method and call action.start. Now we have created a concrete class. Now the final class would be bridge test.java that will have our public static void main, public static void main string args, and then within this we would like to create vehicle Nissan equals new car, new Nissan, and using the Nissan object we would like to start Nissan vehicle, and again we would like to instantiate vehicle Honda equals new car. The action that we pass is Honda, and finally we would say Honda.start. Here we have instantiated both Nissan and Honda, and we are starting both the cars with start method. Now let's go ahead and compile these classes. javac asterisk.java that would compile all the Java files within this folder. And now we would like to run the main method, which is bridge test. So bridge test. After running it, if you see, there are two statements that were printed. One starting Nissan and the second one is starting Honda. Based on the objects that we have created, it has executed corresponding statements. And this is how the bridge pattern is implemented in Java. I hope this was useful. Thank you for watching.